Welcome to the Call of Freedom. Today we are going to show you how we are going to make this little do-it-yourself, cheap, easy chick brooder out of some stuff that we've got laying around in a tub that we found in the dump. So we are getting a set of Cornish cross chicks in this week, and we're going to be getting this brooder ready for them. This is a tote that I found at the dump, and it's in really good shape. I picked it out, thought we could use it for something, and it looks like it will be perfect for this project. So right here, I've got some hardware cloth and some other wire I found laying around my shop, and we're going to use this. I don't think this piece will work for this, but the idea is to cut out this section and put a piece of hardware cloth in the top, zip tie it to the lid, and that way we can see the chicks and see what's going on with them, and also put a heat lamp on top of it to keep them warm, and so on and so forth. Mark where we want to drill the holes, because we will be drilling holes several along this side where we can put these zip ties in to fasten it on the lid. So I would say let's go right here in the center. Alright, so we've got the lid done, we got it zip tied fast, and we're going to check this out and see what it looks like. That looks great. Yeah. I think it'll work just fine. That way we can mount this up above it, and we may need to take these off, not sure. Yeah. Get it close enough.
If we put those off, we can lay it on top.
That's true. If our light bulb is short enough. I think that light bulb's longer.
Yeah.
Looks good. Alright, so as you can see, this is my wood shop, and so we already have some shavings here. I'm going to go ahead and put some in and get it ready for the chicks. Okay, so that concludes this DIY brooder build, and I think it's going to work out really well. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and especially with my good help here today. So we are hoping to put a few more videos together of this process. We've got chicks coming in this week, and we will be filming the process. We will also be building a small hoop house to put them in once they grow out of this brooder. So follow along and watch our process, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. There's a lot of background noise. My shop's too close to the road. What else is wrong today? Hey, we're alive, we're healthy, we're having fun. Anyway, so we are,